Good morning. Just hopped into this motorcycle sidecar. Gonna go down and pick up the Lucky Nest machine. It shipped the bed on me yesterday, and I got it towed to a repair shop. A couple of gentlemen were nice enough to do that for me. And this guy's gonna pick up his ID to take it from him when he enters. And so they took it to a repair shop for me. The other day I took it in and got the carburetor cleaned. I thought it was fuel. But the guru at the new motorcycle shop said it was the CDI, capacitor distribution ignition or something like that, I think it's called. So they told me this morning, it left, my friend left. I didn't bring it in till about 3:34 yesterday afternoon. They had called two suppliers, they couldn't get one. They said, "Do you want me to call Lazada?" They said, no, it'll be faster for them. So they called me this morning, like not even 9 o'clock. Something's going on here at the Caltex. We got the big bouncy castle oiling going on. But apparently she's ready to go. Only, what they tell Killer B, 750 pesos. Like 15 bucks, 18 bucks, something like that. So I'm really impressed. And the two gentlemen that towed it, I'm going to go and reward them. Because one guy was welding and grinding away, the other guy was painting or doing stucco on a nearby building. Gravel pit, satellite, and they all dropped what they were doing. And then we turned left to go that way. No, up here. Oh. Yeah. That might smoke. See if we can make this without getting T-boned and sent down to hell or something. Can be a dangerous intersection. Yeah. Right on. Ooh, nice and bouncy. Not bad, better than being rigid. So yeah, we did the wheel bearings on the car, and the brake shoes, so it's all nice and quiet finally. And now the Honda, I'm thinking I'm going to go shopping for a new one. There's too many close calls with that one. 3 ignition systems, now the CDI. Anytime the vehicle just turns off unexpectedly, yeah, your life depends on it. There's like not an Airbnb, but a boarding house, mama's place, mammy's place. I think it's cheap accommodations if you're looking on Agoda. Maybe $400 or $500 a night. Don't quote me on it. Not a good road for transportation, really. Public, anyways. So yeah, down we go. And at the end of this road is a restaurant called Smoke. And I've never been there, but it's got really high ratings on Google, but it's really pricey too for Filipino prices. So I don't know if it gets any pricier than that on the island at all. I think it's open from 10 in the morning till 2 in the afternoon. Yeah, I left my friend. And then from maybe 4 in the afternoon till 8 or 10 at night, but that's the place there. Maybe one day I'll attend. You can check their menu out online. It's not, well, it might be cheap by Western standard. It is Western prices. But they got like T-bone steaks and stuff. Ouch. Yeah. The poor people of Cebu, I just watched another news update on President Marcos there offering help. A lot of destruction over there. I hate to say it, but they're lucky that only 70 some odd people are not accounted for, or no longer have a pulse, or however you want to put it. Absolutely. So yesterday I did 2 tramadol in the morning, just because. And this morning I did 3, just because it makes me feel a little better. I was doing 5, and then I think I had 4 days off. But I didn't really feel very good. Constant pain. Yeah, I'll try to get to a better... I was going to go to Mayo when I got back, but the earthquake there is going to put a slowdown on that for me. Just what a beautiful day. Got to pay attention there. Rooster Farm. Don't want to go past where I gotta go pick up the bike. But it's a kilometer or two up the road here. Yeah, bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. Fun. Oh, you really feel the bounces here. This one's got headroom. Not bad. Yesterday, what did I pay the guy? $1.50 to take me home. 150. Yeah, straight. You don't want to go off the road into one of these holes. It happens really fast. They get impaled by a couple hundred rebars, which is no good for you. Absolutely not. Zoom. Little gas station there. Car rentals, van rentals, truck rentals. You gotta pay attention. You don't go zipping by with a bike. No, we just always turn around and come back the other way. And that's all there is to it. I think I'll recognize it. I know I drive by it all the time. I'm always worried about ankle giving out, getting ran over. Boing, 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 boing. Rubber baby bouncers. Yeah, to the bike shop. Hope you're all doing good out there. A bit of a motocross track here. On the weekends they gather. They do. Yeah, some clouds up in the sky, which is nice. Keep the temperature down a little bit. A little leaner. The back door's open. Air conditioning. Will we see it in time? Will we? I think we will. I think it's just past the gas station where the dragon fruit grows. And if we hit the graveyard, it's not too far. Got a big truck on our house. I want to give them lots of notice before we attempt to come to a sudden stop. Hopefully he'll go for a pass here. Hopefully. Well, you can hear the accelerator. Yeah, last thing you want is him hitting your bumper in this fucking thing. The fruit stand we just passed. I don't think much further to go. I call this the middle road. I don't really know the name of it. When below us there's the ocean. It sort of dead ends. Doesn't dead end, but it give her a right or a left. You go up the mountain or down the mountain. Yeah. So what are you guys doing today? It's Friday over here. Big Rooster Farm there. For the cockfights. I think we're getting closer. I think just on the other side of the Petron there. Absolutely. Yeah, there's the Petron, so just a little bit farther. I didn't have to walk too far past there before I got picked up by a tricycle. They got a dragon fruit farm in behind there. So, yeah, we're right up here, I think. Little further. Right there. I think. Yeah.
Shop.
Yeah, the shop.
Yeah, the motor.
Yeah, right here. Yeah. Thank you. Salamat.
Okay, thank you.
How many pesos, my friend? How much? Hang on. All right, there he goes. Thank you. Salamat. Thank you. Oh, hi. Mein Buntag. Looking good, man. Looking good. It's fixed. Nice. Wow, they got a CDI for it. Excellent. So, I'm going to let you go. Just saying hi. Bathing the sunshine. Morning. Hey, good morning. You found one. Yeah, on Bohol you get one? A CDI? Salamat, thank you. Yeah, what's this shop called? The name of the shop? Bull Christ. Yeah, good shop. Good doctors and nurses. Melvin? Melvin the doctor. Dr. Melvin. Right on, so there you have it, folks. Come see Dr. Melvin at Bullcrest Motorcycle Repair Shop. Bohol. Right on, okay, over and out, thanks, bye.